Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ futures. This is technically the micro NASDAQ, but the charts are going to look very much the same. Now, what you can see down here, this is the average true range here in white. So 547 at this recording, according to NinjaTrader, that is. Might be slightly different on other platforms. But you can see today, we didn't get very far, only just a little over 300 points. And a lot of that likely has to do with Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Some people don't trade this whole week, like I am not. Others took off early today to start their holiday preparations a bit in advance. And it was pretty choppy earlier until, like I've been talking about, it gets itself together and like, oh yeah, we want to go up. So the open was here. And just the same as yesterday, chopped around a whole lot at the beginning, a lot of wick on those things, big ranges, and that is really, really difficult to get anything going in a situation like that. So what I've been doing recently is just avoiding it altogether. We did have a bit of a drop down. You can see on Mark Helwig's indicator here, red dot meaning sell. But as you can see, that wouldn't have lasted very long. We didn't even make it down to this level of support. We kind of got stuck in this range and then pushed higher from there. So this is really the only decent move of the day. But more importantly, let's look bigger picture over here on the daily time frame. So it did exactly what I was talking about yesterday. So we were able to bust through that standard line. We have a second day on the parabolic SAR, and we actually closed at that next target level that I mentioned to you yesterday, around 25,310. We did get slightly higher than that, pulled back from there. As you can see, this end of the day is just pretty much choppy mess, but the high was up here. Now, the markets are closed tomorrow for the holiday, but overall, our next destination is going to be 25,831. Friday is a short trading day again for the holiday, and then we are into December. So we'll have to see, is there going to be a Santa Claus rally this year? Recently, I mean, it's looking pretty hot. People are expecting a rate cut in December. So like up, 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 up. Not bad so far, but again, we will have to see what happens going into the brand new month. Speaking of, the morning method live trading room starts on Monday, and right now it is on super sale for Black Friday. This is the lowest you will ever see this price, and as far as I'm concerned, it's an absolute no-brainer. You can check out the webinar that we did to learn more about Vicky's system. This is the regular price here, $19.97, and it is significantly less. This is crazy. 499 bucks. Some of the days they're making that in the room in one day. And she shows this every single day. If you subscribe to her newsletter, you'll see the results day after day after day. Now, of course, they don't always win. Nobody in trading always wins. But what they do is that even when they lose, it's a controlled loss. And I know that, quite honestly, a lot of people out there could use even just that to raise their trading game going into 2026. Plus, I highly recommend you pair it with an Apex Trader funding account. There's a coupon code for you down below. Right now, they're offering 80% off all evals for the next 6 days and 7 hours from this recording. But what Vicky does with the Morning Method course is there's actually a bonus in there where she shows you specifically how she adapts her morning method for trader funding. Why? Because of that trailing threshold. So you don't have to use trader funding for her program, but you certainly can. One of the things that she does, and it's been really fun to watch this, is that she will buy a brand new Apex eval at the beginning of every cohort. So she'll be buying a new one going into the December cohort starting on Monday. You then have the opportunity to do exactly what she's doing because she's calling out her trades every Monday and Wednesday in the live trading room. And she's super generous. So a lot of the days that she doesn't host an official live trading room, if she's trading, she often is showing people what she's doing regardless. So that's just like a secret extra bonus that you're going to get with the program. So again, I couldn't recommend the morning method more highly. It is on sale for the next 5 days and 9 hours. That's through Monday night, Cyber Monday. And the Apex sale goes through Tuesday night. So you have plenty of time over the weekend to get your account set up, get the morning method, start learning the program, and then show up live on Monday with Vicky so that you can see it in action and take the trades that she is taking in her Apex account. There are links to both of these things down below, plus that coupon code for Apex. When you do use my coupon code, it helps me out a ton, and I'm super appreciative. So thank you so, so much for that. Have an amazing Thanksgiving for those who celebrate. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.